Okay, first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Again, my name was Jeff and my company is Belanzer Solutions. I believe we had some issues on the phone today. It kept breaking up. But thank you for sending me the email so I can get this over to you. I wanted to go over a couple of key factors that are needed to rank your business online with Google and get some exposure. There are three key things needed in a website. That would be content, backlinks, and citations. Now, of course, every time you type something in here to Google, understand that these are considered keywords. And Google uses these keywords to find websites that best fit your search for what you typed in. Search engine optimization is what they call that, SEO. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to these keywords and then categorizes those websites based on that. That is how you establish rank. Now you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site depending on your competition and your number of keywords. So I typed in plumbers and done, and of course I know you don't have a website, so you won't be here, but I wanted to try to explain how this works. Of course, this is the map section. They call that the map pack. Ranking in the map pack is done with citations, Google Business Profile. I have you here in the map. That's excellent. That's awesome. Citations are name, address, and phone number, as it would appear with your Google Business Profile linked together, along with the service area that you would cover. Citations are directories that would include Angie's, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. That would be the ranking structure for the map area. Underneath the map is where all of the organic rank starts to take place. And organic is based on content and backlinks. Now, in order to understand that, I had to do a little digging around here. It does not include organic ranking. Your website here does not include a listing from Angie with pathways and extensions, or Home Advisor with a path and extension, or Yelp advertisements, or Roto-Rooter, or super pages with path and extensions. This is not organically ranked. So, and then of course you're at the bottom of the page and it's over with. So I went over to Fuquay so that I could give you an example of this, looking for a website that is organically ranked on Google and how they did it. Again, Angie with pathways. Yelp, these are advertisements. These are not organically ranked websites. An organically ranked website is a website with nothing but the name of the site, the name of the business with the website. There's nothing behind it. This is what you want. You don't want to be stuck within a pathway or an extension, because without that, there is no power, there's no rank behind your website. You want to own your own. So with that being said, this is the Allboro Plumbing. This is their website here, and I have a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs, and it shows me what's going on behind the scenes. Now, I did speak of backlinks. Backlink is where one website links to another. It's an endorsement of your site from somebody else, from another website. Google uses this to build trust. It creates popularity. It's an endorsement. You want this. You want backlinks. The more credible, um, the more Google looks at you as an authority of the business that you're in. So if he has 26, you want 50. He has 10 referring domains that are connected from these 26 backlinks, and he has 29 keywords. So the keywords plus his content. Now remember, when you're typing in here and looking for something, Google is searching for websites that have keywords and content relevant to the search. This is critical as well when it comes to the rank structure. So out of these 29 keywords, let's get a little better understanding. Each word is searched. This is the search volume per month. So plumber Fuquay Varina, North Carolina is searched 200 times a month. Plumber Fuquay Varina, 100 times a month. So you can have multiple keywords within the same area. Plumbers Fuquay Varina, 200 times. And the list goes on and on. When you add all of this up, this combined total per month is the exposure that you're getting to your company, to your business, to your website from people that are looking for you. That creates traffic, that creates leads, and then those leads become sales. It's critical to have content and keyword, the right content built into your website so that you can be found for what people are looking for. Then keep in mind, again, not all backlinks are created equal. You don't want a backlink from a pizza shop referring back to you. It's not as strong as another plumbing company referring back to you. You want backlinks with strong domain rank and plenty of traffic coming through. With that being said, let me show you what happens when you have a website or a company and you strip away their extensions or their pathways that you see here. Sunshine Plumbers, location done. When you strip all of this away and just leave the website itself, I went with make it drain, and you put them into the same tool, they are dead in the water. They have no strength, no referring backlinks, no domains, very few keywords, and they don't get any traffic. You want to own your own. It's very important you own your own. That is how you're going to be recognized through Google. That is how you're going to increase business. That is how you're going to expose yourself. That is how you're going to rank on the first page and outrank your competitors. It's very important to have a well-built site with the right content. I hope that this helps you and you find the information useful. If you needed anything, if you wanted to talk about realistic goals for your business, that's fine. I can help you with anything that you need. With that being said, thank you and have a great day.